Well, 11 o'clock, this wind's going to drop, hopefully. Oh well. I must admit, I've had a spiffing weekend. It's really been an adventure, I think, you know. Not a lot I can say about the weather, like, but we braved it, we stuck it out, we didn't pack up and go home. We're leaving tomorrow. Hopefully it's going to be fair and dry to take the tents down.